Yeah, friends, in this video, I'm going to talk personality development. Before we are going to the detail, we have to study what is personality. Personality development is actually the development from the organized pattern of the attitudes and behaviors, which makes one individual distinctive. Then the things to enhance your personality: don't compare your life with others. Don't have negative thoughts or things you cannot control. Instead, invest your energy in the positive present moment. Don't waste your precious energy on gossip. Dream more while you are awake. So that is the you should not compare yourself with others. So that is very important. Then you focus on your health aspects. Drink plenty of water according to science. Each and every person should drink more water, especially in summer, because we are moving towards summer now. Eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. So morning you eat more and reduce the amount in lunch and dinner, just like beggar. You take only little amount. Eat more fruits that grows on trees. Live with three E, that is energy, enthusiasm, and empathy. Make time for prayer. Then you just concentrate on your health aspects. Play more games. Even on walking, at least you go for walking. Then read more books. Then sleep for 7 hours. A healthy person should sleep 7 hours at least per day. Take a 10 to 30 minutes walk every day, and while you walk, smile. Right? While walking, at least smile. Those who are coming across you. So that is very important. Then fundamental technique in handling people: don't criticize, condemn, or complain. Give honest and sincere appreciation, if possible. Ways to make people like you: become genuinely interested in other people, smile, be a good listener, encourage others to talk about themselves. That is very, very important. Become genuinely, and you should listen others' speech, encourage others to talk. Win people to your way of thinking. Show respect for the other person's opinion. You respect others' opinion. Never say you are wrong. It is always the negative person always do like this, isn't it? They always say you are wrong. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathetically. If you are wrong, admit it quickly and empathetically. Begin in a friendly way. Try honestly to see things from the other person's point of view. That is very important. Be a leader, how to change people without giving offensive. Your leader job often includes changing your people's attitudes and behavior. Some suggestions to accomplish this: begin with praise and honest appreciation. Begin with praise and honest appreciation. Call attention to people mistakes indirectly. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. Ask questions instead of giving direct orders. Use encouragement. Make the fault seem easy to correct. Make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. Stop worrying and start living. Fundamental facts you should know about worry: don't stay about the futures. Just just live each day until bedtime. Ask yourself, what is the worst that can possibly happen if I can solve my problem. Prepare yourself, mentally accept the worst if necessary, then calm, try to improve upon the worst which you have already mentally agreed to accept. Stop worrying and start living. If a problem can be solved, no need to worry about it. If a problem cannot be solved, what is the use to worrying? Techniques in analyzing worry: get the facts. Half the worry in the world is caused by people trying to make decisions before they have sufficient knowledge on which to base a decision. After carefully weighing all the facts, come to a decision. Once a decision is carefully reached, act. When you or any other associates are tempted to worry about a problem, write write out and answer the following questions. What is the problem? What is the cause of the problem? What are all possible solutions? What is the best solution? How to make good personality? Don't be loud. Know when to speak up. Don't be afraid to talk to others. Having a sense of humor is a plus. Remember, personality does not mean that you should have looks. Be kind and considerate. Tips: keep a smart head and keep cool. Don't shout or be aggressive. Don't doubt yourself. Be executive in dress. Create your own personal style. Don't copy anyone. Winners are never disheartened with obstacles and led by example in what they do with focus and confidence. Winners are never disheartened with obstacles and lead by example in what they do with focus and confidence. So with that I finish the personality development. You should act accordingly and you will be a very good person. Thank you very much.